Today we're on location in the village of St. Jacobs, one of Ontario's most famous destination locations for boutique shopping. I'm Helen from Helen's team, bringing you all the cutest listings around Waterloo Region and Wellington County. 1267 King Street North, with its attractive covered front porch, stunning cedar shake, and board and batten exterior, encompasses a small town essence while offering all the important city amenities. Inside, hardwood stairs and tall baseboards keep the character of the original home. A country kitchen with a massive dining room and tall upper cabinets and breakfast bar will be the backdrop to many future gatherings. The open concept great room and front living room will allow almost any furniture layout, with lots of room to collect some art from the local shops. Upstairs you will love all the bright newer windows, the laundry room, and the 3 sizable bedrooms, all with large closets. A luxurious bathroom with a huge walk-in shower with a rain head and a jetted tub made for 2. That's pretty hot. The basement is partially finished and has tons of potential for your future needs. Restored to a modern standard with vinyl windows, California ceilings, chic fixtures, and pot lights. Stripped to the studs in 2014, the electrical, plumbing, and wall insulation was replaced. The roof was new in 2017, and did I mention, there's a bus route that goes directly from Waterloo's Conestoga Mall to downtown Elmira. There are walking trails along Conestoga River and incredible dining experiences within steps of your front door. So if you're looking for a property in a location that is gushing with character and vibrancy, then call Helen's team today, because this house isn't mine, and it should be yours.